Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can add this PC icon into your desktop. So currently in my desktop, there is no this PC icon. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and you have to click on the settings. Now, if you cannot access settings through the start button, you can directly search for settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it. Then you have to click on personalization. Then you'll find themes. Click on that. You'll find related settings, desktop icon settings. Click on that. And you will find the desktop icon settings. And you'll find this computer, this one. Simply check that box. Click on apply. Click on OK. Unclose the settings window. And here you'll find that this PC icon into your desktop on your window. So as easy as that, you have just added the this PC icon into your desktop. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.